Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OHealth application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the OHealth application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. After you see it, you can tap on devices icon, and on this page you should see your OnePlus Watch 3. And now what you need to do is scroll down, find the watch faces option, not this one, the one below with this icon. Tap on it and it will open the watch face store, and here you can look for something you like, find the watch face that you fancy, and once you find it you can tap on it and then tap on apply. It will start downloading, and after it's done it should be applied on your watch. So let's wait. I'm not sure anything is happening. Oh, it is, okay. I just didn't see the progress bar, but it's still downloading, okay. As you can see, after it's done, it will be applied, and you can download another watch faces if you like to. And if you want to see the list of watch faces installed on your watch, you can tap on My Watch Faces right here in the corner, and will open the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can change between them by tapping on one to select it and tapping on Set as Watch Face. And basically that's it. That's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.